Join if you support and stand with hijab. Instagram chase story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add yours 2022 at highlights. And here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I'll show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But now let me do the story for the video. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo if you like. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram account, and from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can go to this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to a YouTube video tutorial. It has only 2 to 3 minutes, I think. It's also on our channel, and you'll see that it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.